Welcome everybody. We're here with Brub. These cats poop and pee a lot. Now, if you're a cat owner, you've experienced a lot of dealing with cat poop, pee, trying to come up with ways of making it easier. I got a litter genie, which I'll show after. One thing that I've discovered on this journey, after using the clay litter for years and cleaning it out every day and having to dig into a big pile of just wet clay pee, you get to the point where you're like, there's gotta be a better way. Paper towels? Newspaper? No. One even better. Enter the wood pellet. Now, specifically the 70-30 hardwood softwood blend specific. I got the bag upside down because there's a hole. See if I can. This brand right here is highly recommended if you're living in northern New York. I don't know where it comes from, but I know up here this is the ones that I get. Now, when it's not winter time, it could be really hard finding pellets. So you might have to go to your local lumberyard, or because you can't even sometimes get it at Lowe's or Runnings even. I was real surprised. I went to Runnings and they were all out. Now the cats are coming in to check out what is going on because they're always into whatever I'm doing. To get to the point of this video, I am making a sifter for the litter box. So I'm gonna show you a little trick. Now, if you've wasted your money and hard-earned energy on the clay litter, you might have a couple of these boxes. Well, I do like these jugs, and they're stackable, so they're real nice. I've used this for cat food. I'll put my dry cat food in here. But now, what this is gonna get used for is a wood chip sifter. So as you can see, I've started drilling holes in the bottom of it. Because when using the pellets, the brilliant thing about the pellets is that when the cat takes a pee, the pellet breaks down and it just turns into sawdust. There's no smell, there's no pee smell. It absorbs the poop smell, so if you're sifting or cleaning it every day or two, you're never gonna smell anything, like besides wood chips. Because when they pee, it turns into sawdust, basically. If I said wood chips the first time, I meant to say sawdust. It basically turns into sawdust. Get rid of the sawdust and the clumps of poop, then you're just left over with pellets. Super efficient, lasts a long time, not to mention a bag of pellets, now after pandemic, $7, $8. I used to get these suckers for $5 when I first discovered this. Now, but still, even $7, $8 compared to $20 for this, that lasts 1/4 the time of the pellet. You tell me, what do you think? So I would say the biggest pain in the butt is sifting, because you want to save all those good pellets. So there are pans that you can get that have a sifted layer and another layer underneath, and you can shake it and then just have the pellets and then dump out the sawdust and whatnot. We don't have one of those pans. We're kind of living on a budget, so this is the next best thing. Now I'll show you what I'm doing with the screwdriver. You're gonna get yellow plastic stuff everywhere. You don't want your cats eating that. You don't want it all over the place. So I'll show you how I'm gonna do this. Hoodie, you're gonna get mad. He hates the vacuum. So basically, I'm gonna take my drill. I'm gonna hold this angle close to where I'm drilling. That way, as I'm drilling through, it sucks up all the plastic. Another thing I noticed is go a few times, otherwise it will get frayed like that. I'm gonna have to go back over these ones. I just don't want that fraying everywhere. I might have to take a knife to clean all that off. But if you go a couple times, it helps. Now, we'll find a way to get that fraying off after. I should try to stay consistent pattern to make it look pretty, but Now, I might have messed up this whole thing already, and we might not be able to do this because the pellets might fall through these holes. I just thought about that. Let's see. So the goal here, Hoodie, get out of here. Go on. I'm gonna dump everything from the litter box into here and then sift into here. And we'll see how much, maybe I'll keep it like this. So all that stuff goes to the back, but the other stuff goes, we'll see. We might have to do a different one because I might have went too big. Now I'm gonna do this over the garbage. That way if anything gets out, the majority of it goes into the garbage. Bigger garbage would probably be better, but oh, look at that, it fits perfect. Hopefully it works. Not too many pellets are coming out. Some are, a couple, but not a lot. All right, let's take the sawdust out. We're gonna dump the sawdust here inside of the litter genie. And then I'm gonna dump out the pellets and see how much, there's still a little sawdust in there. I got it though. Now this is all about saving money, in my opinion. It won't save me much money, but it might save me like 10 bucks a month or something. Just got now, man, that's pretty good. There's a little sawdust in there, but not much, because it's just like one scoop. It's so small that it doesn't even matter. I'll show you real quick. Now it's just pellets, no dust. I can just pick those turds out with the cat scooper, and the pellets last a long time. A bag of 40-pound pellets will last you like a month or two. And now with this, probably double that. So anyways, just wanted to show you that helpful little tip. Do me a favor. Just please subscribe, please subscribe.